Welcome back to Health and Wellness for you and your and another episode of Trey Cooks. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a delicious strawberry, pineapple, and banana smoothie. Our other ingredients will include honey, flaxseed, almond milk, water, and ice. Let's get cooking. First, we're going to rinse off and then chop up our strawberries. When I rinse most of my fruits and veggies off, I like to start off with hot water and then follow by cold water. And just like my other cooking and baking food educational tutorials, from time to time I will be speeding up the video a little bit. What's your all-time favorite smoothie flavor combination and why? Leave a comment and let me know. All right, let's chop up some of these delicious sweet strawberries so we can get ready to blend up our healthy smoothie. Do you remember the first smoothie you ever tried? Where were you and what was in it? Drop me a comment and let me know. I appreciate all of your comments. Next, we'll chop up a banana. Have you ever tried to recreate a smoothie you had at a specific place or event? How did it turn out? Our first task is to break off the pineapple crown. Next, we're going to tackle cleaning and chopping up this pineapple. I love sweet, sweet pineapple, don't you? And next, we're going to wash our pineapple with a little bit of dishwashing detergent and a brush that we only use for scrubbing fruits and vegetables. Have you ever made a smoothie that turned out surprisingly delicious or unexpectedly weird? I love for you to share your stories. Thanks a bunch. Now it's time to begin cutting our pineapple. First, I will cut the top and then the bottom and then the sides. I'll clean up the sides a little bit to make sure there's no dark spots, and then I will cut out the middle. Share a funny or memorable story about a time you had a smoothie with family and friends. While doing this process, your hands can get very slippery from the pineapple juice. So be very careful during this process in using the knife to cut the pineapple. What's your go-to smoothie order from a fast food franchise? Do you prefer your smoothie thick like a milkshake or more liquidy and drinkable? Why? If you could invent a totally unique smoothie flavor, what would it be and what ingredients would you use? Leave me a comment and let me know. What's the most exotic or unusual ingredient you've ever added to a smoothie? Share a smoothie recipe that holds sentimental value for you or your family. Next, I will list a few fun nutritional facts for eating pineapple. Pineapple is high in vitamin C. Pineapple is a good source of dietary fiber, packed with antioxidants, has a low glycemic index. Despite its sweetness, it won't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Pineapple has hydration properties. With a water content of about 86%, pineapple contributes to your daily hydration needs, supporting overall health and well-being. Pineapple has immune boosting abilities. Pineapple has potential anti-inflammatory effects. After we cut around the top and then cut around the bottom, the center of the pineapple pops right out. Now that we have the pineapple center removed, all we have left is to cut the pineapple into little itsy bitsy pieces. It's naturally sweet. It promotes healthy skin. It's rich in minerals like copper, potassium, manganese, calcium, phosphorus, which are vital for various bodily functions. Pineapple is cholesterol free. It's versatile and delicious. It contributes to a balanced diet. It supports bone health because it's high in calcium and phosphorus. Pineapple may aid in weight loss. It boosts eye health. Pineapple is refreshing and energizing. Next, I'm going to share with you a few of my delicious smoothie suggestions.
It's time for Trey's delicious smoothie suggestions. Here are 10 creative smoothie suggestions along with their ingredients and preparation tips. Number 1, Tropical Bliss Smoothie. Ingredients: pineapple chunks, mango chunks, banana, coconut milk, Greek yogurt, and honey. Preparation: blend pineapple, mango, banana, coconut milk, and Greek yogurt until smooth. Add honey to taste. Garnish with shredded coconut or a slice of pineapple. Berry Blast Off Smoothie. Ingredients: mixed berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Also, spinach, almond milk, chia seeds, and honey. Preparation: blend mixed berries, spinach, almond milk, and chia seeds until smooth. Add honey for sweetness if desired. Serve with a sprinkle of chia seeds on top. Number 3, Green Goodness Smoothie. Ingredients: kale, cucumber, avocado, green apple, lemon juice, and coconut water. Preparation: blend kale, cucumber, avocado, green apple, and lemon juice with coconut water until smooth. Adjust consistency with more coconut water if needed. Serve chilled with a slice of cucumber. Number 4, Sunrise Citrus Smoothie. Ingredients: oranges, carrots, ginger, Greek yogurt, and honey. Preparation: blend peeled oranges, chopped carrots, fresh ginger, Greek yogurt, and honey until smooth. Adjust sweetness with honey as desired. Garnish with a slice of orange or a sprinkle of grated ginger. Number 5, Chocolate Peanut Butter Protein Smoothie. Ingredients: banana, cocoa powder, peanut butter, protein powder, vanilla or chocolate, and almond milk. Preparation: blend banana, cocoa powder, peanut butter, protein powder, and almond milk until smooth. Adjust thickness with more almond milk if needed. Serve with a drizzle of melted peanut butter on top. Number 6, Pina Colada Smoothie. Ingredients: pineapple chunks, coconut milk, banana, plain or vanilla yogurt, and shredded coconut. Preparation: blend pineapple chunks, coconut milk, banana, and yogurt until smooth. Add shredded coconut for texture and blend briefly. Serve garnished with a sprinkle of shredded coconut and a slice of pineapple. Number 7, Minty Matcha Madness Smoothie. Ingredients: spinach, banana, matcha powder, fresh mint leaves, almond milk, and honey. Preparation: blend spinach, banana, matcha powder, fresh mint leaves, almond milk, and honey until smooth. Adjust sweetness with honey and garnish with a mint leaf. Number 8, Mango Tango Smoothie. Ingredients: mango chunks, orange juice, Greek yogurt, honey, and lime juice. Preparation: blend mango chunks, orange juice, Greek yogurt, honey, and a squeeze of lime juice until smooth. Serve with a slice of mango or a wedge of lime. Number 9, Cherry Almond Delight Smoothie. Ingredients: cherries, pitted, almond butter, almond milk, plain yogurt, and honey. Preparation: blend pitted cherries, almond butter, almond milk, yogurt, and honey until smooth. Adjust sweetness with honey and garnish with a cherry on top. And number 10, banana split smoothie. Ingredients: banana, strawberries, cocoa powder, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and honey. Preparation: blend banana, strawberries, cocoa powder, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and honey until smooth. Serve with a drizzle of melted chocolate and a slice of strawberry on the rim. These smoothie recipes offer a variety of flavors and textures, incorporating nutritious ingredients to create delicious and satisfying drinks. Adjust the sweetness and thickness according to your taste preferences and enjoy experimenting with different combinations. Okay, so first we're going to add our strawberries. And then our pineapple. Then our banana. Flaxseed. Almond milk. A little bit of water. And lastly, our ice. And let's not forget our honey. I have to put our top, which has the blade. Make sure it's nice and tight. Let's go. Who in your family makes the best smoothies and what's their secret ingredient or technique? Describe a smoothie disaster you or your family member had. Did you or your family salvage it, or was it beyond repair? What's your favorite smoothie memory from a vacation or trip? Where were you and what made it memorable? If you had to choose only one smoothie to drink for the rest of your life, what would it be and why? I don't know about you, but my smoothie would be a chocolate, strawberry, and banana smoothie. Yum, yum, yummy. All right. We're ready to drink. Let's not forget our straw. Let's taste it to see if it's to our delight. Perfect, nice and sweet. You don't have to add sugar. There's sweetness in the fruit and the honey. Thank you once again for joining us for another episode of Trey Cooks. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit your notifications so you can get our future videos straight to your cell phones and computers. Have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and most importantly of all, love. Cheers to your health. Delicious.